So here's the thing, like I said, any situation, it doesn't matter what it is. It doesn't matter if it's business, growing your business. It doesn't matter if you're wanting to take action to go out and be a public figure more, speak more. It doesn't matter if it's your health and fitness. It just doesn't matter if it's a relationship that you're having. You can do this anytime. You can stop and do this. And I want you to know that I highly encourage you to do this, because this is going to get the negative stuff out of the way and it's going to put the positive stuff in front of you. So you can start switching right away when you're feeling that negativity out there in the world, or when you're out there in the world, you're feeling that negativity. You can just change it and go, wait, that wasn't serving me. What does serve me? And if you don't have something in place that serves you, then you can't go there. But you can create it right now by doing this. So take a situation, any situation that's going on, and I want you to write that situation out. The situation as it exists. The devil is in the details, the negative of it, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. You're getting it out of you and you're putting it out on paper and you're writing it out. The situation in the negative. What don't you like? Get it out. Let the details flow. Talk about your feelings. Any given moment at any time that you're having there, that you're feeling something, get that out too. Now, after you get that situation out, rewrite it and flip it. Now write that same situation as positive as you want it to be. And I'm not talking about what you think you can get or you think you can do. Remember, mind, move, manifest, M3. You are an infinite being. You can do anything. So you're only limited by the limitation that you put on yourself. So in this moment, don't do that. Don't think about what's possible and only seen this happen before in my life, or I've never done that. But no. Kick that out. How do you want that situation to go 100% if it was perfect for you? Now write that out. Now you're going to take both of these situations and you're going to look at them and you're going to go back in what you've written and you're going to underline your actions. Actions. Anything is an action. You're just underlining it all through the story. Here's an action. Anything that you're doing, if you're feeling something, that's an action. And we understand that at M3 is that we're putting something out into the world, that feeling, and we're conditioning ourselves to receive it. So notice if you have a feeling like I get angry right here, I don't like this right here, or I talk myself out of this, or I start thinking that this is going to go wrong. You want to capture that, okay? Underline all that stuff. So once you get your actions underlined, you're done with that step. This was step 1. This is step 2. You're going to decide what actions are positive. We call them PAs, positive actions. Those are fine. They're getting you where you wanted to go. That's good. Now we're going to look at other stuff, the stuff that's holding us back. This is where we get into the programming of what's causing us to do what we're doing. We're going to underline non-productive actions. Feeling bad, feeling angry, feeling like I can't do it, getting upset. Don't go do the thing. Go over to do the other thing, like if you're scrolling on Facebook or something like that, when you should be taking action and reaching out to people who could benefit from your business or your life, or you're not walking out into the gym and going to the workout, or you're not getting in your car and going to the workout. It's all actions, okay? And those are non-productive actions, NPAs. Underline them. Get a hold of all of them. Now here's the thing, here's the flip. Your non-productive actions, you know that they're not serving you. So how do we fix that? So that we stop taking these actions automatically in our life that don't serve us. We focus on the non-productive actions and flipping them. Flip them to positive actions. There's a couple ways that you can do this. You can do a 180-degree difference. I call it the George Costanza, if you've ever seen that episode of Seinfeld. If you've ever seen that episode of Seinfeld, George just does 180 degrees different from what he was doing, and he gets a completely different response. It's a very hilarious episode, but it works. You can do the complete opposite thing. If you're not walking to the place to go work out, go walk to the place to work out. Take that action. If you're getting angry, you can decide to get happy. You can decide to get excited. You can change that feeling right then and there. Here's the other way that you can flip it. if you're taking an action that you don't want, what action could you stick in there? It doesn't have to be 180 degrees different, but what could you start doing that would produce results that you wanted? So you're flipping all of your non-productive actions into productive actions. So now all you have is productive actions. Now ask yourself one final question at the end here. If I change all of my non-productive actions this week into productive actions, will I get what I want? And the answer you're going to find, you're going to feel it inside, is yes. Now, take those actions, list them out so that you see them, and in any time you're feeling like you want to take a negative action or you see yourself taking that negative action without knowing, become consciously aware. Use that conscious mind. Remember, you're becoming a conscious competent, and that takes work. Use that conscious mind to take your positive action now. That's it. That's how we tap into the stuff that we already know how to do to get what it is that we want, and how we start to make it happen in our life. This is Matt here from Mind Move Manifest. I highly suggest that you take this and you use it in any area of your life that's giving you grief right now, that's giving you a challenge, and just apply it over and over again anywhere that you need it. Use this information, and I promise you your life will get better like night and day. Hit the notifications button, turn the likes on. See how I say social media? I don't even know how to say it, but if you want to keep receiving this information, grab the buttons and the things below, hit the subscribe so that you continue to get this information and make your life better. That's what it's all about. We weren't put here to struggle and strive all the time without getting any kind of reward in our life. We were put here to realize just who we are, all the awesome powers that we have inside of ourselves, and to draw them out and start living that life as an example so that other people are able to see what the heck's going on with you. They come to you and they ask you what's going on, and you share that awesome, amazing ability with them that lives inside of them.